I got my GoPro Hero 10. Got it delivered, it was last night, but I didn't have time to do an unboxing before I had to get back to work here. But I got the accessories package. It was, I believe it was $4.49, but with your subscription, made it $3.99. And then it came with an extra battery. Comes with this a stick. It's also telescopes, which can't do one-handed. But it telescopes out about a foot or so, you know. Came with a magnet clip mount. This is pretty strong too. The magnet's pretty strong as well. It had a GoPro mount. Came with two of them actually. Came with another set screw. Yeah, here's the other mount it came with right here. Comes with a couple of stick-on tabs, mounts, whatever you want to call it. And then you get your book here. I also, for $15 more, I doubled the memory on it from 32 to 64 gig card they gave you with it. I already put that in the camera here. Camera's pretty nice. I mean, I had a GoPro 6 before this one. It finally gave out on me. Found out it had a crack in it. So, but this new Hero 10, it's very nice. But yeah, I found out the 6 had a crack in it, and I went to Discovery Cove, went to film the fish while snorkeling, and it gave out almost immediately. Salt water got into it. So I'm going to use my GoPro Plus, which is what they have you subscribe to. And they say you can replace up to 2 cameras a year. So no questions asked. So I'm going to use that to replace my GoPro 6 as a backup. So I believe it's $100. That's still a lot better than paying, hundreds of dollars. But I have to register that. But I've already recorded a couple things on it, which I will post on here later, testing it out. I really like this LCD screen now. It's quick, easier to use. There's some footage I did earlier. But also has this front LCD. Well, let me stop the video on the back here. But well, oh, Butterfingers. But anyway, I'm going to post some of that video on here later to show you how it does in a. This truck is very going down the road, in bumps. Show you how it records. I can start it back up here. But also with that GoPro Plus subscription, you get 30 to 50% off of everything in the store. So makes your mounts and everything a lot cheaper. There's the front display. See, it's showing me. You can use this for vlogging, which I will be using it for. I plan on doing more vlogging now that I've got over 500 subscribers. I will be doing more cooking videos and that as well for Carnivore. But okay, I'm happy with it so far. I will include some footage, and I got a media mod coming and a light mod. that I'll be using for vlogging as well. So, all right, I'll include footage of it after this here. It's a quick unboxing. So I still have to do more with it to know if I'm really happy with it, but so far I'm happy with it. I've only recorded a couple things. I had a little extra time waiting for my meat driver here, so I thought I'd do a quick video on the GoPro Hero 10 that I got. My wife got it for me for my birthday, so my GoPro 6 gave out on me, so I was using that for a lot of the videos I've been doing. So I got an upgrade to the Hero 10, so I'm looking forward to using it. But I'm using my phone right now for this video. But hopefully it helps me make better videos. So I plan on making more videos now. So, all right, I will include some footage of the GoPro Hero 10. So, hope you enjoy it. Okay, it's raining out. Got to walk around a little bit here. See how this works. I got it on the 5.3K, 30 frames per second. With the Verizon leveling on, so just walk at normal speed. Only run if I'm being chased by something, right? But anyway, I thought I'd give it a try here, see what kind of footage we're getting. Maybe I should go out a little bit here. My head's right in there, but get an idea of how this GoPro works. Latest GoPro, this new chip they got in this year's model. So, but thought I'd give it a try here. I'm gonna turn it around here and see how it does this way. See if it stays pretty level. The microphone is, there's 3 mics on here. I don't know how the sound is on it. I'm on the back side of it now. I know there's one on each side. One on the back, one on the side, and one on the front. So, I have a media mod coming, so it'll be here next week. I'm going to give it a try. Supposed to help with the wind noise and everything. So I'm going to turn around facing me now. There we go. Pretty cool so far. I like that you can see on the front screen, I can see myself. The old camera I had just had the LCD screen. This screen looks really nice too. So I think I'm going to be happy with it. We shall see. I think it's going to work for what I do. I'm not one of these guys that go out skateboarding or riding motorbikes or anything like that, but I do like to ride roller coasters and stuff like that. I think this will work great for me. All right. stuff I do around the house, building stuff, cooking. We are going to amusement parks more, so SeaWorld, Universal. So I'll be doing more of those type videos. So I hope you guys like them. I enjoy making them. And hit like and subscribe. Share. Get my numbers up. I can't even start live streaming until I get over 1,000 subscribers. There's a lot of things I can't do until I get over 1,000. But thank you all for supporting me so far. So I hope you like these type of videos. I'm not that good at it. I'm getting better.